Today we're gonna make a recipe of a wonderful and delicious cooked dish. This is what you need for a hot paprika shrimp. A delicious meal with very low calories. Ingredients are 8 shrimps, shelled and deveined, 1 tablespoon macadamia oil, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 pinch cayenne pepper, 2 cloves garlic crushed. So how you do that? 1. In a skillet over medium-high heat. Sautéed the shrimp and garlic in the oil for about 5 minutes until it's pink. 2. Sprinkle the paprika and cayenne over it. 3. Cook for about another minute and serve. Did you know? For the nutritional facts. Per serving, it only takes calories 159, protein 23 grams, carbohydrates 1 gram, fat 7 grams. For more recipes and goods, please click on the link in description below.